Hello my dear students, welcome to the third video of your chapter, that is chapter number 4 of history, the Indus Valley Civilization. In our second video we have discussed about the Great Bath. These were the different structures in the Indus Valley Civilization. They are as follows. In the last video we have discussed about the Great Bath, granaries, drainage system, governance, then social division, then occupation of the people was agriculture, trade, then there was some other occupation also, then amusement and recreation. So in this video now let us come further in our chapter. So we will discuss about the dresses and ornaments, means whatever clothes the people of Harappan of the Indus Valley Civilization people wore, and ornaments means the objects which are worn as the jewelry. So let us start this, dear children. People usually wore cotton clothes. Most of the people in the Indus Valley Civilization, they wore the cotton clothes, because Indus Valley people were the first to grow the cotton, and from the cotton only the cotton clothes are made, and they are very airy and comfortable to wear. Woolen clothes were also worn, means cotton clothes were worn in the summer season, and the woolen clothes were worn in the winter season, and wool was obtained from the sheep. A man wore two pieces of cloth. One was a shawl worn over the upper part of the body, and the lower garment was like the modern dhoti, means shawl was a wrap around cloth which was put on the shoulders, and the धोती, जैसे पुराने ज़माने में धोती पहनते थे, जो आदमी लोग होते थे, वैसे धोती पहनते थे कमर पे नीचे, इन द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी below the waist, and the shawl होती थी वो डालते थे. And you can see in the picture a beautiful jewelry has been found at Harappa. Actually some jewelry are made up of gold or bronze, and some are made up of bones, shells. Then let us come forward. Women wore short skirt tied at the waist, means there were wrap around skirts over there. जैसे the girls wear the skirts today also, those type of skirt, means lehenga type पहनती थी ladies उस time. Both men and women wore ornaments. Ornaments are the objects which are worn as the jewelry. Then women wore necklaces, bracelets, bangles, earrings, and men wore amulets. Amulet होता है ताबीज़, जो है ना बुरी नज़र से बचाता है, और we can say amulet, a small piece of jewelry worn to protect against bad luck. The rich people wore jewelry made up of gold and silver. Actually, when we are rich, then we will be wearing the jewelry made up of gold, silver only. Actually, in those times, the diamond was not known to the Indus Valley people, but gold and silver they were known. And the poor people made the jewelry of bones, हड्डियों की, copper, पीतल से बनाते हैं, and shells which are of dead creatures in the water. Then art, कला में क्या जानते हैं, and craft, the things which are the structures of the statues which are made out of clay, rocks, stone, and even of some metals also, because the Harappan civilization, or the Indus Valley civilization, is known as the age of bronze age, means during this the bronze was discovered. Actually bronze is an alloy which is made after mixing the copper and tin. A bronze figure of dancing girl has been found at Mohenjo-daro. You can see in the picture, the picture. This is the dancing girl statue has been discovered during the excavation in the Mohenjo-daro. One of the stone statues shows a bearded nobleman or a priest wearing a shawl, and one statue has also been recovered or discovered during the excavation, which shows that a man which has beard, दाढ़ी है उसके, और he may be a noble man, मतलब कोई अच्छा इंसान होगा, सज्जन पुरुष, और he may be a priest who is wearing a, priest होता है पुजारी वगैरह, जो जिसके कंधे पे शॉल पड़ी हुई है. The figures of animals, birds and men painted on pottery show the artistic skill of the people. And actually this Indus Valley people were expert in pottery making also. So pictures of birds and animals have been also painted by them on the different pots, or actually the pottery is the art of making the things or the articles or objects by the use of wet clay. And after when the articles are made from the wet clay, they are being baked. Some of the pots are highly glazed and painted. Glazed means some pots have very glazed means shiny surface, and they are painted. They produced images, utensils, various tools and weapons such as axe आपके कुल्हाड़ी होती है, शॉ, आरी, नाइफ, चाकू, एंड स्पीयर होता है भाला. Actually, a spear has a wooden or a metallic handle and a pointed head is there. A spear, a throwing weapon with a long shaft and a sharp head. Then spinning, मतलब जो घुमाने वाला चरखा. Then bricklaying, जो brick का mold होता है उसको बनाने के लिए. Then boat making, these were also the art of these were all the different arts which different things the Indus Valley people knew. Then seal making, actually seals were the objects on which the pictures or the inscriptions were made, so that the record can be kept, or some information can be saved on them, or orders can be paid. And terracotta manufacture were important craft. Terracotta means it is a reddish brown colored clay which is used for making the toys and all for the children. Then seals. The greatest artistic creation of the Harappan culture was seals. About 200 seals have been found. Many of them carry short inscriptions. Actually, seals were the objects which were made from the clay, and they were baked hard, and means the seals was made from the wet clay, and some inscriptions or something pictures were made on them, or some signs and symbols were made on. They were used for keeping the business record or the trade relation record. So these were the seals, and 200 seals have been found in the Harappan civilization, and many of them have short inscription which pictures of one horned bull, मतलब जो बैल होता है इसके एक सींग होता है सिर्फ. Then buffalo, tiger, elephant, goat, etc. They were also used by merchants to mark their goods. The seals had animal figures and picture-like signs on them. Means the seals were used by the merchants, जो व्यापारी लोग होते वो भी उनको इस्तेमाल करते थे. They were used by so that some records of the some record the commodities which they sailed from one place to another, or one people to another. The record were kept, or they, and some pictures were also made on them of animal figures. They gave us an idea of their religion. Actually, some seals have been found which have the god and goddesses picture are also mentioned. They are square or rectangular tablets made of clay. Actually, the seals are the square. They have the size of, or the shape and size of a rectangular tablet which are made of clay. The script on these seals have not been deciphered. Script means a particular system of writing, and the system of writing which has been discovered by the Indus Valley civilization, which even the historians are not able to decipher. This means they are not able to read it, or और इंटरप्रेट, उनको अभी भी ये ना रिकवर नहीं कर पाए दैट व्हाट दोज वर्ड्स और द पिक्चर्स और द साइंस विच आर रिटन ऑन द सील्स रिवील, क्या बताते हैं वो साइन अभी तक पता नहीं चल पाया. Then you can see in the picture an artistic reconstruction of a Harappan town, means how the people must be living over there. Then you can see seals from Indus Valley civilization. You can see some the bulls, different types of epic science or animals picture or symbols are made of the Harappan sea seals. Then let us come about the talk about the religion. मतलब धर्म के बारे में क्या था वहाँ पे. द हरप्पन पीपल वर्शिप ट्रीज एंड एनिमल्स, मीन्स दे वर्शिप द नेचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे वर्शिप द ट्रीज, पेड़ों को पूजते थे, एंड एनिमल, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स वर वर्शिप्ड एज द गॉड. पीपल ट्री वॉज रिगार्डेड एज सेक्रेट. सेक्रेट मीन relating to God and or religion. Actually it was considered that people tree as Lord Vishnu lives in the people tree, so that is why it is sacred, मतलब जो पवित्र होता है, something which is related to God or religion. At various sites of clay figures of mother goddess have been found. Mother goddess picture we can see here. You can see mother goddess picture, the statue is there. A three-faced figure surrounded by a tiger, a rhinoceros, a buffalo, and an elephant is also found. According to some historians, this is the earliest representation of Lord Vishnu as Pashupati seal. Pashupati seal we can see on the next page. This is the Pashupati seal. Actually, Lord Shiva is known as the Pashupati na, and lion, rhinoceros is there in the seal. Then the most important animal to be worshipped was the humped bull. जो बैल होते थे जिनके hump होता था ऊपर at the back, that was worshipped. Actually humped bull was worshipped as the vehicle of Lord Shiva, जैसे नंदी बोलते हैं. Then inhabitants of the Indus Valley worshipped gods in the form of trees, animals, and human beings. Means the gods were worshipped in the form of animals, trees. मतलब different types of trees were worshipped as the god. Means they thought that whatever the living creature or the living thing is there on the earth, they have the god present in them. So that's why they worshipped trees, animals, and human beings. But the gods were not placed in temples because there was no proper statue or structure of the gods. The Harappans believe in life after death. Actually, there have been many civilizations: Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, and the Harappan civilization. They also believed a life after death. मतलब मरने के बाद भी कोई एक नया जीवन हो सकता. So what they used to do, they used to bury their dead with ornaments, means different types of objects which were worn with them, and the clothes and the things which are needed by a particular person in the real life. They buried those articles of the usable material, the things with the dead person or the corpse. Then you can see in the enrich yourself. The Harappan culture belongs to the Bronze Age because bronze was discovered by the people of Harappan, by the people of Indus Valley civilization. Then the bronze smith mixed copper, which came from Rajasthan and Baluchistan, and tin, which came from Afghanistan and Iran, to form an alloy of bronze. Earlier only I have told you that bronze is an alloy. The bronze is an alloy, or it was formed by mixing copper and tin. Bronze statues have been found during excavation. Means different bronze structures or statues or articles have been found during the excavations of the different sites of the Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro. Then script. Actually, what is script? Script is the system of writing, a particular system of writing. And what type of system of writing these Harappa, these Indus Valley people followed? They actually had a they represented a script by symbols, pictures, or different pictographic forms were there. The Harappan people had developed the art of writing. Nearly 400 signs have been found, but the historians have not been able to interpret the script. Actually, different types of 400 signs and the pictures have been discovered, but historians are not able to read yet. उनको पढ़ना भी मुमकिन नहीं हो सका है. It is the kind of pictographic script reporting words and actually the signs which have been the 400 signs which have been discovered by the historians, they are they report the pictographic forms of the words. Pictographic means in the form of pictures. The words are in the form of pictures and symbols. It is the earliest form of writing discovered in India. Actually, this pictographic form is one of the earliest form of writing in India. सबसे पहला, earliest means सबसे पहला. Then why did the Indus Valley civilization decline? Historians do not have the real cause that, but there are many theories about the fall of civilization. Some writers believe that Harappan cities were destroyed by the invader, means जो the different people from the other countries or the other regions or from the other parts of the world, they invade, मतलब आके उन पे हमला कर देते, and they used to conquer, they used to destroy and take away the things of the Harappan people. In this way, this Indus Harappan cities were destroyed. Who could have been the Aryans? Actually, the Aryans were the people who came from the middle of the Asia, especially the Europe and the North and the Middle East side. Others believe that the natural calamities like floods, earthquake, epidemics, means some believe that the Indus Valley civilization of Harappan cities were destroyed, बर्बाद इसलिए हो गए थे because they were hit by floods, मतलब बाढ़ आती थी बहुत ज़्यादा, earthquakes, भूकंप, epidemic, महामारी, means such type of epidemic we are facing like coronavirus also. It means such type of epidemic may have hit in those times also. That's why the civilization was destroyed. That's why this Indus Valley civilization came to an end. It also possible that river Indus must have changed its course and turned the region into a desert. And there may be the possibility also that river Indus must have changed its path, the path where it was flowing through the Indus Valley or the Harappan region, or it may have changed, the रास्ता बदल दिया होगा. So that's why because if the river will not be there, then there will be no availability of water for the people who are living there. If the water will be not there, then the whole of the region will turn into a desert, because there was not much rain also. That's why the Harappan culture existed between 2500 BCE and 1500 BCE. Around 1750 BCE, cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro declined. Means during this period, the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro city, they were destroyed totally. Means nothing existed, but other cities faded out gradually. Means other cities, excluding the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they came to an end slowly. The Indus Valley was the earliest known urban civilization of India. Urban civilization means it was one of the first urban civilization. It means that it was one of the advanced civilization which had the city life, शहरी वाली life थी यहाँ पे. Though these cities are in ruins, their history and culture instill a feeling of pride in our rich and glorious past. Actually, though ruins means बर्बाद हो जाना, means destroyed totally. Though the ruins are discovered, but the ruins which have been discovered of the Indus Valley civilization, they show that our history is full of rich and glorious past, and glorious something which is very pleasurable, and it also gives a feeling of pride, meaning गर्व की एक भावना भी पैदा होती है. Then the Indus Valley civilization, one of the cradles of the magnificent ancient civilization. Cradle means it was one of the beginning to the ancient civilization, and it was paved the way for the rest of the humanity also in the Middle Asia or the Indian people. So dear students, that's all for today in this chapter.